Hi, this is Antonius Frentis from MiceOnABeam. In the next few minutes, I'll provide a quick tour of the MiceOnABeam Visual Scripting Tool, which enables you to create LSL-based scripts for the Second Life and OpenSim-based virtual worlds. Perhaps you've just joined Second Life and want to get up to speed as quickly as possible. Or maybe you joined Second Life a while ago and have already learned to create things in-world, but now want to make your creations come to life, interact with you or other avatars, or respond to various events that happen. But perhaps you don't have a programming background and are finding it difficult learning Second Life's LSL scripting language and its many complex functions. Well, here's where MiceOnABeam can help. It provides a visual way for you to design most of your script using graphical components, interconnecting them as required, and then the program automatically generates the LSL code for you. To specify what you want to happen when a particular event occurs in world, you can either insert your own LSL code directly or use MiceOnABeam's new LSL Actions Wizard, where you simply select a built-in action and then just fill in a form, just as we're doing here, to change the color of some object. This feature really simplifies the calling of LSL's built-in functions. Even if you're an expert scripter, MiceOnABeam can help you create the most complex designs using its many advanced modeling features for state machines. Your designs become more modular, easier to enhance, and clearer to understand and explain to others. So let's now take a closer look at some of MiceOnABeam's features to see how you can start scripting and participate more fully in the Second Life world. Scripting in MiceOnABeam is done using a special state editor to create a script model. You create your design by selecting modeling components from a toolbar, inserting them into your design, and interconnecting them as required. The key components are states and transitions. A state represents a major mode of your script, a point in time when the script is waiting for something to happen in Second Life. A transition represents an LSL event that occurs in the virtual world that you wish to respond to in some way. Here we assigned a touch end event to the transition. Looking at this model of a simple light switch, while in the off state, if a touch end event occurs, the script will move to the on state. MiceOnABeam even allows you to define states within states, which is a great way to modularize more complex scripts. Here we can open up the on state and show the 3 substates contained within it. And we can go right back up again to the containing state. To make things happen in Second Life, you can select one of the built-in LSL actions that MiceOnABeam provides. Here we're selecting the Set Color action from the Looks menu. You configure each action through a pop-up form which provides various options for you to choose from. And then MiceOnABeam puts a placeholder in the code which will be mapped to the required LSL code when the script is auto-generated from your design. Alternatively, you can simply enter in your own LSL code directly, and MiceOnABeam will help you here with automatic code completion and pop-up help on all LSL functions. MiceOnABeam will also do a syntax check of your entered code, and if there's an error, it will highlight exactly where the problem occurred so that you can quickly fix it. You can also add comments to your modeling components, which is great for documenting how your script works and enabling others to review and better understand your brilliant design. This can even be a selling point if you sell scripts and allow your customers to modify them. Similar to searching for text in a traditional coding editor, MiceOnABeam can perform text searches that can match modeling components, variables, functions, or actual code anywhere in the design, or importantly, scoped to just a portion of a hierarchical design. Of course, when you first create your script, there's bound to be errors, so MiceOnABeam provides several debugging options that will output various messages tracing the execution of your design or the values of various variables that you've created. When you're ready to test out your design, MiceOnABeam will generate a complete, ready-to-run script that you can then simply copy and paste into a code editor within the Second Life or other OpenSim-based virtual world. There's several ways to get up to speed using MiceOnABeam. The program itself has pop-up descriptions for all dialogues and menu items, which of course you can still turn off. There's also extensive online documentation describing every modeling feature in detail, together with a complete description of the user interface. Simply start here, and the documentation will lead you through introductory material, including a step-by-step tutorial to create a MiceOnABeam model. Help is also there for you when you need it via email and online forums. A weekly user group meeting is held at MiceOnABeam headquarters within Second Life. So go ahead and download the latest version at www.miceonabeam.com. There's a totally functional free version that is great to start off with and use for smaller projects. The professional version comes with several extra features that allow you to create larger and more complex designs, do performance monitoring on your running script with the performance analysis feature, and add in your own custom actions to the LSL Action Wizard. It can be purchased on the Second Life marketplace. So as you can see, MiceOnABeam might be just the ticket to help you get started creating scripts for the Second Life world. With its graphical and form-based way of programming, code syntax checker, commenting and debugging features, together with extensive online documentation and support, you'll be well on your way to being a successful scripter. So, thanks for your time, and I hope you give MiceOnABeam a try. Again, you can download it at www.miceonabeam.com. Please feel free to contact me in Word or via email at antoniusfrentis@miceonabeam.com. Bye for now.